Welcome to the 3D X-Ray Tomography Station, a critical inspection solution, as well as failure analysis solution for components, assemblies, and circuit boards. By using state-of-the-art 3D X-ray technology, we reveal details that remain invisible through traditional inspection methods. A suitable table is first placed in the sample chamber. The exact distance between the X-ray tube and the component is then set and all image parameters are adjusted. The CT process then begins. The sample rotates on the rod and images are continuously taken. Information about the three-dimensional structure is obtained from this rotational movement. A 3D reconstruction is created from the data in a powerful computer. From this, individual images and videos are generated, analyzed, and made available for our customers. Tip 1. Quality control you can rely on.